My camera sucks. So yeah, you missed his shot, so he's gonna take another shot. Here we go. Retake. Okay. And pause, Chris. If you're watching this, he has a ratchet hair flying off. Okay. Okay, guys. So I got my cousin here. Say hi to the camera. Cringy. Yeah, really cringy and suspicious. We're looking for. There's the Red Robin. There's the Red Robin.
I was talking about at my school.
Guys, there's a Red Robin. Guys, we can sign this for money. Oh my God, guys.
I was reading that in my school.
Guys, and it just flew away. Yeah, it just flew away. So I hope I got that on camera. Yeah, I hope.
I was talking about at my school. You know?
Oh. Okay, anyways, back to my turn. You want to join the airplane race? Yeah, we know how to make an airplane. You want to make it?
But then
Okay, so my window cracked and there's this ugly bug in it. Yeah. Right there. Okay, we're going to start the race in 3, 2, 1. Okay. I should just... Let me get out there so you can see it. Let's start it. 3, 2, you go first. Oh, that was pretty far. Okay. See it? You should exercise. You should prove. Okay, you know what? My turn. I'm gonna let y'all go. And your airplane sucks real bad. So I'm just gonna get my turn. If you shake. My leg. That's great, my leg. Oh yeah. Oh, it's your turn. It's your turn. Airplane. Okay. Your turn. So I'm in the lead right now. Oh yeah. The other 2 contestants are right here. Okay. Jumping up and down. Got my toothpick. Make a shot. Okay, it's your turn to go. Wrong way. Wrong way. Yeah, wrong way. No, that's not the wrong way. Yeah, you're supposed to go there. Yeah, now you gotta go back because that was the wrong way. Okay, guys, it's my turn. The exercise is cheating. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the door over there.
Go over there. Where?
Throw it. Right. Okay, my recording sucks. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get my turn. Wait. How to live the life of a hacker. No! Retake! No! Retake, because you took too much retakes in the last video. No! Oh, more retakes! After you take your 2 shots, then no more retakes until it's your next shot. Okay, guys, it's my turn. So I took my turn. Okay. 3! Okay, I'm gonna just copy. I charged the life of a hacker. The life of 3, 2, 1. So yeah, I guess I'm not a sucker. Where is I? Okay, so I see mine, guys. His is right down there. Oh my God. Guys, flipping luck book. You see that? Flipping rock by it, bro. I hope I didn't miss that right now. Oh my God, this is my chance. Oh, okay, guys, we were up there. Your turn now. And this is my first one. We're supposed to reach this door, and then go back to where we started. Okay. Yeah, that's the plan because she didn't even know. Go back on. Okay.
You guys go first.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I go first.
Yeah, you can go. Even though you just had your.
Oh my God, my back.
Okay. So his thing sucks. So I'm just gonna go. And mine. This sucks. This sucks. You turn. Mine went. Guys, I can just take a soft throw and I will win. But no one made it so far. No one touched the door. Because you sat down. That's a cheater. Let's go! You didn't touch the door yet, though. Now I did. But I didn't touch the door. Okay, it's your turn. Retake.
Okay, now you have to go back up.
She, we'll just let her have a head start.
Yeah, you don't even know how to run.
Okay, let's go.
What's that stat?
Okay, just
Let's just start right here.
Just start right here and then try to make it back to where we started.
Upstairs?
Only one shot. We're just cheaters. Look.
What's that door?
Just come down here.
Right where we're standing. Right here.
Just stay right. Just come right here and just throw
Let's just start
over
right here.
there. Okay, so yeah,
Okay,
that was decent progress, but yeah, we had to handle.
Hey.
And he threw his throw, and his throw really sucked. It was
Three, 2,
R-E-T-A-K-E. So
Yeah.
his thing sucked real bad, so I'm going to go. Ready for this
I'm
round?
gonna take a picture right now.
Yay, I landed right here.
Wait.
Guys, I landed right here.
Wow. No.
Guys,
Okay, about to go.
What is happening?
Ah!
you really suck.
Yeah, I really sucked, but I got farther than
My turn.
I don't know.
3, 2,
Oh no.
1. Ah!
Is it my turn?
And
You're here. Oh my gosh, you couldn't have made it.
watch me finish this, kids. Watch me.
I'm not even old enough. Because I'm only 5. I'm only 5.
I'm only 90 old.
Watch me finish this. Watch me get to
My
that.
phone is super strong.
Watch me get to that.
There, no cry.
Watch me. Just watch me.
It's just a focus,
Okay.
guys.
Actually, I didn't make it, but I got decent progress. Yeah, we know.
It's my turn. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god!
It's so close, right there. No, you didn't do it right.
Why is my turn?
Your turn. You can do a soft throw and you'll make it. Just a soft throw, like.
So close.
So close!
But look at me make it. I know how to do this. You don't do hard throws. You do this. That's how you win.
No! You were right at the end, so
It touched right here. It says
I win.
if
I want to
it's
see
under,
your
then you
ball.
win.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. That's
Oh,
part
no,
one
you're
of
not.
the
Oh, no,
airplane
you're
race
not on a video.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to charge my phone.
So I'm just going to start stabbing with pineapple again.
Gosh, you show you your buddy.
What?
Yeah. You show your buddy.
Oh, I was just murdering the pineapple until it was until it was PORN.com. Free PORN videos. Free SE. Dirty Mind contest. I'm sorry if I get age restricted, but this has to be here. It didn't have to be, I'm sorry. I got pineapple juice. Beautiful. Such a beautiful, beautiful world. Okay, guys, we're going to have a staring contest. Me, Exocide, against you. Actually, you know what? We're going to do it first. Okay, so we're going to do this. Okay, so she won by default, so excited now. Be right back, guys. Yes!
His oldest brother is sick. Whose plane is this?
Hey, guys.
Whose plane? Do you have?
Oh, what happened?
You got
Oh, you have it?
cow?
Oh,
Cow color?
that's really sad.
Cow color?
If you match my situation, then I love you, bro. You're the best. Yeah, you can use my colors. You have that color. Oh, so all my classmates, you would know what this looks like.
Hi guys.
Teaching kids how to do stuff. It's hard. It's just that it's open up a pencil box.
You're not just about mom. I'm not just about mom. There's an O-O-M. That's easy. Look at painting. See, Mom? I'm gonna make mine cool. I'll color this color gold. I'll color this color gold.
This is kind of cool. Oh, that's cool.
And these ones are not my favorite colors.
Wait, I thought girls were supposed to like this color.
Do you have a red? This is a red? Is this a red?
Yes,
Why is it?
it's a dark red.
I'm gonna make mine cool. I'm gonna make mine cool. Do you color yours?
Mm-hmm.
Close your eyes. Just do your own thing. Go over there and not close your eyes. Just do your own thing. I said don't close your eyes. I said don't close your eyes.
For this 5-year-old kid to do something stupid. Okay. Well, I'm not really doing anything. So let's have that staring contest I was talking about. 3, 2, 1. Go! 1. Ew, these look like roaches. These actually looks like roaches. Somebody buy me some Raid. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go! I can do this. I feel tears coming down, but I could do this.
Why is your marker smells good? You got in my nose, yo. This backpack is good.
Okay, so I failed the contest, and my eyes are literally. Oh my god, I'm actually crying. My eyes were open for so long.
How old are you? Huh? 10? And how old are you? His big brother.
14. Guys, if you blinked in that time, comment blinkers. Spoiled blinkers. Spoiled. Comment.
This.
Comment Hashtag spoiled blinkers. We'll put the hashtag, not right hashtag. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when a new video comes out. And thank you. Bye.